Hi everyone, my name is Purrlektra. You may know me from my main channel where I've been uploading bass boosts of loads of different songs, and if you haven't seen them, feel free to go and check them out. On this new channel I've created, I'll be recording myself playing many different games, which if you guys do enjoy, I'll be making more of. If you leave a request of a game in the description, I might also play that. So anyway guys, today I'll be playing Slender, and let's get started. I also do get really scared while playing horror games, so this should be fun for you guys to watch. I haven't actually completed the game yet, but today I'll try and collect as many pages as I can. I can't actually remember where the first page was, but I'm just going to look around. I literally don't even know where I am. Okay, I think the first one's over here. Somewhere, anyway. Where is it? I don't think it's actually on here. I don't know where it is. I'm just going to have to look around. Sorry if the quality of the microphone isn't that good. I will have to get a better one at some point. I don't even know which way I'm going. I'm literally walking anywhere. It's really annoying that whenever you run, the torch goes down. So stupid. I think I might actually follow the path if I can find it again. I don't know why it's taking me this long. No idea if I'm going the right way or not. Haven't played this game in literally ages, so I'm just guessing. Oh, here we go. I remember there being a page here somewhere anyway. It probably is best to get the one inside the building first. So I will be finding that one next. I'm literally getting really scared right now. And I've only collected one page. If I see him, I will literally have a heart attack. I'm definitely not going to look behind me. No way. Even though I do really love horror games, I just can't play them. I just get scared so easily. Oh, here's another page. I really should have gone inside the building, but I can't find it, so I'm just going to collect these as I go along. Oh my god. So scary. I literally only played this game a few times. It's just really scary for me. Okay, I don't know if there's one around here. I can't exactly remember. We're gonna have a look. Oh my god, if I see him, that's gonna be terrifying. I don't even want to turn around. I'm just gonna keep going. I think there was one here, but I'm not sure. He's behind me. I can literally feel he is. So I'm going to avoid turning around as much as possible. Oh my god. He's somewhere. I don't know where he is. No. I don't even see him. I don't even know where he is, but it went fuzzy and that literally scares me. Oh my god. If I go in there, he's literally just going to be right around the corner. It's happened before, and it was horrible. Gosh, he runs out of breath so quick. Oh my god, he better not be in there. Thank god for that. If I see him, oh my god, I will have a heart attack. It better be in here. Oh my god. I really don't want to go back now. It's so scary. Oh my god. Oh god, that's close. Oh my god. No, he's literally right there. That's it, I've had it. He's literally trapped me. I don't know if he's gone. I think he's probably just got right round the corner. It's literally gonna make me jump. He's gone, but I don't know where he's gone to. I really don't want to go down here. I'm literally just gonna have to keep going. Oh my god, he's not even in here. It's not in there. I bet he probably right round the corner. Oh my god. Thank god for that. Oh my god. It could literally be anywhere. I can't remember if I've been here or not. No, I haven't been down here. Thank god he's not there. I don't even know where the page is.